Hey, 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 it's Mrs. Coolitz here with you guys again today. We're going to be doing an open-ended constructed response problem. This one's on systems of linear equations. So let's go ahead and read it and get started. As you can see, I wrote our two equations up here already to kind of help you and give you a clue, but let's read through it and see if it makes sense. Taya wants to order custom yoga mats for her yoga studio that will be printed with her logo. She asked two local companies, We Print and Print So Good, to give her a price or a quote, as you might think. So We Print charges $21 for each yoga mat. So the total cost is $21 times however many yoga mats she has. And they already told us that C is the total cost and Y is the number of yoga mats. Print So Good will charge $18 per mat, so there's that $18 times the number of mats, plus, which tells me to add, a one-time logo setup fee of that $45. So there's our two equations. I'm going to write them right to the side here so we can work with them, but I know you'll have them on your paper. So go ahead and copy those down onto your paper, and we'll work with those next. All right, letter C. Letter C asks us, and again, We Print is going to be the first one, and Print So Good is the second one. So let me erase some of this. So how much would We Print charge for 20 yoga mats? Well, we know that the total charge is $21 times however many yoga mats. So if we multiply that by 20, we'll get our answer. Anybody wants to shout it out, let me know.
Tired of this.
$420. So the total cost for 20 yoga mats would be $420. All right. How much would Print So Good charge for 15 yoga mats? Well, we know the total charge would be $18 per yoga mat times however many mats plus that $45 setup fee. Since they're going to get 15 yoga mats, we're going to substitute that in there. Let's multiply 18 times 15, which would give us 270. We're then going to add that $45 setup fee and see what we get. $315. So the total cost for Print So Good to make 15 yoga mats would be $315. Let's look at letter E. If Taya ordered from We Print and was charged $441, how many yoga mats did she order? Well, let's go back to We Print. We Print's the first one. We know that the total cost is represented by the C. So we're going to substitute the $441 in for the C and solve backwards for the Y. In order to do that, we have to divide by 21 since each mat is 21. And if you take 441 divided by 21, we find that they made 21 yoga mats. All right, so far so good. Let's look at letter F. If Taya ordered from Print So Good and was charged $351, how many yoga mats did she order? Well, same situation, except we're going to use the other equation. Our total cost is $351, but it's $18 per yoga mat plus that $45 setup fee. As always, we need to get rid of this first, so we're going to subtract 45 on both sides. So we're going to take our 351, subtract 45, leaving us with $306. Let's drop down our equal sign and our 18y. Last thing is we want to get this y by itself, so we're going to divide by 18. And y equals 17. So 17 yoga mats were made from Print So Good. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you soon. Bye.